Hey, it's Tiffany from Tubey Toys, and today we are reviewing Disney Pixar Incredibles 2 Fightin' Fun Jack Jack. I found him on Amazon for $25. You are going to love him. Just look at his little slippers. They're the raccoon that he fights. So cute. He is so super cute. All you have to do is squeeze his little hand and watch what he does. Oh my gosh, how cute is he? My kids love it. You're gonna love it. Stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to Tubey Toys and don't forget to click the bell. Every time we post a video or a new giveaway, you'll be notified first. So guys, let's get started. See what this cutie can do.
It's Tubey Toys. You know that Tubey Toys are out of this world.
Let's take off this tag off his hand. See if his eyes light up. Let's take him out of try me mode. Maybe that's what it is. I want to see his eyes light up. Is it in try me? Yes, it is. Oh my gosh, we're gonna see his eyes light up now.
Oh baby, it's light up!
Oh my god, he moves so fast. It's so cute. Look at the nice embroidery in his. Look at that. He's coming for me. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, on your mark, go! Oh, he's not racing you. Okay, go back. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Then we gotta race the other babies. Ready? Go back more. Back more. On your mark. Get set. Go. Oh, he doesn't care. He's done. On your mark. Oh, do it again. On your mark. Get set. Go. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win?
I mean, Jack.
Oh, let's see what the baby does. Oh, I think Jack lost.
Like this. Let's feel good while doing this.
Uh-oh, baby versus baby.
Back up.
He likes it.
Yeah.
His arms feel like they're posable because there's like wire inside. I wouldn't recommend bending them though because these arms do move while he's running.
And like the video, give it a thumbs up. But look at the baby. Hello. Morning, Jack. Yeah, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.